Say the see why ye wo yasmu dwen do amamo de enye we mu de so mu nim hwe o mabombon
abuza from mu nyina makwaba e de bagana and Sem TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho by be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we de e de to Sudan say man we need that chi bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne ye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra momi enko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
yeah esremwa you say economy na se empenifo se emo nyina enipa nyina dane mwa na se wa nane bia om dane mwa no wi a om baba be kire wawe e say the we say koi ye the digital and e say AI class aba fa na wo hwe enipa edi oman animu a omo pre empuntu ama oman bia e hona obia de nani a kire because e hona ewiase ne ekro as ya anyire e ho ne anko bia ye bekachi na Dr. Baumian kwansu no wa show a sign of good leadership ebetimi ede yakosa ekuo no mu bi anase obetimi de yakosa empuntuo no mu bi na ne nyoma bebre awaye no sign wo ho e kire se sa papa no koan ni nipa obetimi de afa sa kwan so na ye ni swade hunu etimi abam etimesre Ghana for se ya toto ya ba agu ase ya ba eye moma yemfa ye ni nkire fie moma yenwene oman ne ho na yensan fa Dr. Baumia emra evise ono ni nipa obae oka asem bi Ghana for antenase o se wo be value Ghana card more than 100 interchanges na enipa entiase enei na semo kan na abem national security for omo Ghana omo ye omo nyuma nyina no na because of Ghana card nitino obi make attempt bia se impose or the oyona bi eba oman ni mu a na ye hunu na yesi anon kwan eye chance ye besi interchanges 100 nemum onipa bonifo bi ba beto yen aba beto oman no so awra anase enipa bonifo bi ba beto ahye oman no so se see wo ye wo yasmu dwen do amamo de enye we mu de so mu nim hwe o mabombon but ye wo yasmu dwen eye because of Ghana card ntini obia ye attempt bia na ye hunu we na chese nyansani edisa enipa we a okuta nyansa no oye adepa ede ama oman na mesre Ghana fo moma yen koye enioma bia said ye kwakodi slogan achi ye kodi slogan achi ene enwum hunu achi because eno na ma say oman ne ye ho kire ya cocoa farmers esuo eno na ma oman ye ho kire ya teacher for esuo hwe omma eti ase se ombefa of friends teacher for ombe employ 50,000 teachers 50,000 teachers no besine ye employ obia even 7,000 crowd de call no omuntimi nya financial clearance no omuntimi de aye ama enipa omba beto omom gufie no oma quadruple enye se oma multiply oma quadruple na egufie omunya adwuma nye so I'm sorry I'm say economy no good economy a good no entimi ntua workers ka economy a good no farmers e wo man mu a omu produce maize ne rice ne a whole lot of things no omu nyina esu ye nto omade the economy bɛn na wiase good a wow local product kra ye ntimi nto economy bɛn na good a ye ntimi ntua teacher foka economy a good kra no after the finance ministry and agric ministry omoko we see we discover we see oboa uditro enti no mumie hu se sankrofo yo mbae de certain saban sankrofo yo mbae kotobe kuma
Emily me say o shan kwan no na se emu se ye tu jimi o se ye den o na utumu se de oh Jesus Christ hey na me compare nanado me Betty to me trying to do another time me say as a fellas men these people they are only doing politics and I'll be like are you sure no they do na send them jollof no kosua na da so eye doko an ni sardine this is nanado ye nya kwasiampani okude to aboa brokwa beyifuba beyiba brokwa be ka tire say aduane a ye de ma ye mma ni di wo school enye aduane papa expired food na ye nya sabe Interpol just the one na me dia me be kwa almost president na me be bi na no si gina kire aduane a ye mba ni di no me kram my po on di intermediate se me ba headmasters no aha no mo akrofi se mo wa market na Agyimifuor no so your market me can the whole akrofi market so mo ka jom se mo fa mo 10 bucks mre bedding ya ka se mo fa si tire 10 bucks mre bedding onipa no wo supermarket wo no si tire no fa 5 bucks pe na 5 bucks na na echiche mu de ko ama sama market omo ton brode ye ton brode intimate sika na be ma o tire teacher for no krono na teacher for headmasters no so omo beye no krono omo person omo bo Ghana nti mahama ka tom so ye discover show omo nsa nti
MP member of parliament
well ma who fellas ka
oh man onya MP obedi
ahomti
o man me ba onya MP obedi
ahomti me president MP dey say for
o man meti heyi me se me yensem twa adwuma
ehun susuaso no
ehun susuaso se me soro ahomache de me bakra koto boarding because me ya no pani usa me soro ahomache me nya obi hwe no nyame na aye adoma aye ado aba makoyi na fi boarding aba I cannot complain. It's here kwatwo for super so tell say na ni abre person how many times na kwatwo for super person di MP
no nim say ehun susuaso
bisa ne se sika he na o de wura mu ansa na obeye member of
parliament je na da no si mu de bia ye ka ho asem oman we just say yenim oman ni issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan serious so can in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA the new patriotic party the leaders of the party KBA borrow omodom another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, the active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is intimate because of time. But those ones it really go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact equipping hospitals not all right but because of political tantrums and political gains me look at say hospitals and they go sana no me say it is a Kenyan who say na no man nyina be ya ese keska no kwanka de wasa botumi hu say o I mean say wo say NPP for ya akonfo na mu akonfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what the hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo akonfo ti ma facilitate me say o be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo ise enye Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na ten afi de mo kekam kakaka why are they shouting obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho asofo no mo nko ma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect o mo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho chief imam for nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho politicians nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho market women o mo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho 2020 do then you know the way forward yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete Nancy Bibini Nankasa de Sabi, ye be a kitting, ya drink kitting, ye be a invest square and kitting. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. And yeah, same cranny. Obi my credit scoring system also open kitting. Obi introducing electric or electronic bus systems, you know, most open kitting. Is any one day? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you're telling you papa, and I feel I'm going to watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem se bi me na me ko ka che Rajon Dramani ma so o mema was come to good one ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se daddy digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu ade na mo kam ye wo krom ha ya e de Rajon Dramani ma ko gina fese enkanfo mu gafo ka cho se o gafo de o na mo de nye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay nye beto aba na ma boom mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kwa de menu now to me who letter bi a yokofoɔ tro ye eba council of state member voter region na me se fiam eh Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true
okwa ni letter now was say council of state member no wo ye former staff emanam one which is never true
onya adwuma order and onya juma wo hoda ama
nam one for the first time nam one I post oh yes nam one I post
ya no catch obi say dipa ne boa
o si sa asem na listen for the first time nam one akwa pe ba bia akoda na nam one yes na che say was no kura adwiri ni say state institution we intelligence institution who need intel
ayeka bro
problem ni nyina ne say
economy no nkwa na eboa ye
problem ni nyina ne say papa or council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone anoni adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months what me supply good no over 75%. Omo koso na se mentem ho ase ba wone nipa na oni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take omo statement ama o grant omo bi omo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiawo say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old fediana afi the was by I say any mokra mweda mempemubium adwuma wura nankasa na mepenache no. We invite na my no issue document say we a fugitive. Jane. Thank you. Personal attack as if say your office one and you sue any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yama I don't want to talk about.
Na me see the member who know what the very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP.
Agyeta.
And this state institutions are. Oh, on sa no hu no no kra se amfe ya sorry amfe na nsi for ma Agyia